Oh shit, bet I can go live again, bruh. I forgot I can go live again today. These beautiful things that I got. Please stay. Beautiful things that I got. Please stay. Aren't you?
Commercial's not telling me anything. Dancing pandas don't sell CRM. Ads on LinkedIn do.
CRM Serial is the solution
You know, when I was young, I grew up in a fairly strict house, always knowing right from wrong, and for the most part, always been able to decipher what I should or should not be doing. And now that I'm a parent, I realize that having and enforcing a set of rules is an extremely important part to an orderly and functional household.
Please.
And any trader that wants to make it for the long haul must also have a strict set of rules and make sure we stick to them. Because at the end of the day, what good are rules, even if we break them maybe 2 to 3 times a year? You know, there's nothing worse to me personally than taking a loss in the market that can wipe out weeks or maybe even months of trading. You feel like the last several weeks or months got simply flushed down the toilet. You know, you spend day in, day out grinding out wins, grinding out trades, only to have everything, you know, be wiped out. It can be mentally demoralizing and very hard to get your mind back on reset. You know, it's the financial part of the loss that hurts the most, but the mental and emotional part can be just as bad, because if you're not trading with a free and clear mind, you may as well go home. That's how even some great traders can get caught up in a vicious cycle. Once the losses start, they almost don't know how to get themselves out of it. That's why I think it's so important to try to stick to your rules and limit your losses. You know, one of the great benefits of being a trader is that we're our own boss. We work from home, and for the most part, we answer to nobody. It's really everybody's dream job. But you know, on the flip side, there's nobody there to hold us accountable. So let's say we all were to work for a company. It doesn't matter whether it's big or small. And 2 to 3 times a year, we bend the rules. Or 2 to 3 times a year, we just make that same mistake over and over again. And we cost this company tens of thousands or possibly hundreds of thousands of dollars. What would that company say to you? You know, most likely you'd be out of a job. That's why it's so important, as self-employed individuals, traders, we hold ourselves accountable for our actions. Now, as a trader, I realize the most important thing I can do on a daily basis is preserve my capital. Taking excessive risk, taking on marginal trades, or adding to losing trades is an easy way for losses to add up. You know, sometimes as traders, we're always focusing on the next big setup. How much are we gonna make on VERI? How much are we gonna make on this? How much did I make last week or last month? But how often we focus on what we're doing poorly? How often we focus on our losses? You know, I think our losses can be a great tool to help us create some rules. I think our losses, you know, can help us study and say, hey, this is what I don't want to do again. This is what I don't want to do in the future. You know, the thing about trading, it's a very tough profession. I think the stats are something like 90 to 95% of traders fail. And why do they fail? They don't fail because of a lack of winning setups or lack of wins. They fail because of their losses. They fail because they just take too many losses too frequently, or just that one big loss. I mean, that's the thing. In the market, one loss can wipe you out and end your career. That's where a good set of rules can either make you or break you for the long haul. Now, trading can be a difficult profession. For that, we sit in front of our computers all day long, and we feel unproductive if we're not always in a trade or pushing buttons. You know, we follow traders on Twitter who tweet a new idea or ticker every 35 seconds, and we say, hey, that guy trades 80 to 90 tickers a day. I need to do the same thing. No, I think that's BS. I think you should not do the same thing. I think you need to stick with your high probability setups, the setups you know you're going to be profitable on. I'd say at least 75, 80, hopefully 90% of the time. Now, sometimes it can be hard to sit on your hands and be patient, wait for those setups. But why chase subpar setups? You know, why chase boredom trades? Why put good money after bad? Now, how many of us here of traders have followed a chat room, a Twitter, or a friend into an idea that we knew was not a high probability setup for our own trading style? Now, we all have different trading styles here. What works for you may not work for me. Personally, I'm a terrible long bias trader. If and when I ever do go long, I take profits extremely fast, knowing that a lot of times profits can just get away from me pretty quick. I don't have the patience nor the conviction, you know, to hold them. That's why month after month, year after year, I personally get more strict about the trades that I place. I probably place half the amount of trades I did maybe just 5 years ago, but I make way more money. Why? Because I trade the high probability setups that I know I'm going to be profitable on 80 to 90% of the time. I like to use size with those trades, and I have very strict rules when it comes to cutting losses. Now, I'm sure most of us as traders have rules, or at least we should. How many of us use stops? I mean, stops are a must. I mean, we all have to use stops. Now, I personally rarely use hard stops, but I have mental stops on every position that I take. Basically, if something's breaking support or resistance, I usually just exit that trade. And I think most of us here need to have a mental idea in our head of where we're going to exit a trade based on, based on where it goes against us. How many of us here have ever been in a losing trade and we're down something small, maybe $5,000, and we think, I'm not going to cut it. You know, I feel like this is going to be a winner, and we add to that trade. An hour later, we're down $20,000 to $30,000, and we think, wow, it's hard to, I can't cut it now. We hold it to the afternoon. Maybe tomorrow it gaps up. We're down $70,000, $80,000, $100,000, and we think, what the heck just happened? I mean, I could have cut that loss yesterday for $3, $4, $5 grand. Now I've given up 10, maybe 20% of my year just by being stubborn. Think about how much more money we could make at the end of the year if we just stick to some simple rules and cut our losses at an appropriate place. Now, for me personally, I very rarely enter a trade, unless it's with starter size, something really small, unless I know I'm going to be in the money immediately. I ask the question, why would you ever enter a trade knowing it's going to go against you, and you say, well, I'll just add high. I mean, why would you ever want to do that? I personally like to be right on my first entry, and if I'm not, I cut it, and I look for a re-entry. The last thing I want to do, again, is be stubborn, refuse to cut a loss, add to losers, and before you know it, you've given up 10, 20, maybe 30% of your year on any particular setup. I see so many traders that can consistently make money month after month after month, only at the end of the year realize they were stubborn on 3 to 4 tickers, and they gave up, maybe 20 to 30% of the year. Now let's talk about being stubborn for a minute. Why is it that we refuse to cut losses? Is it that sometimes we refuse to be wrong? Or has the research we've done on any particular stock made us so overly biased that we think the market is wrong and we are right? Or did we possibly take on too much size overnight on a low float stock that's opened dramatically against us? There's numerous reasons we take losses in the market, and a majority of them are our fault. I mean, sure, there can be unexpected news or events, but at the end of the day, I think it's our stubbornness that leads to some of our biggest losses. Now, I personally have a lot of rules in my trading. I've already went over a couple of them. Most of them are just ingrained in my head. I know I'm just like walking, talking, eating, and sleeping. I don't even have to think about it. But I'll go over a quick, a couple of my top rules again real quick. I like to trade the best setups out there. Setups that I know I'm going to be profitable on 80 to 90% of the time. And I like to use size with those setups. I ask a question. If you see a setup and you say, hey, 9 out of 10 times I'm going to make money on this setup, why would you not want to put big money behind that trade? Why would you not want to? I think the risk reward is definitely on your side there. I think, for me personally, the big money's in the big wins. I'm not going to get rich scalping. It's just not for me. And I certainly know I'm not going to lose money on boredom trades because I just don't play them. If the setup's not there, I sit on my hands. If not, I'll just leave for the day. I never feel forced to trade. Second, never ever add to losing trades. There's a reason the trade is going against you. You're wrong. I mean, it's all there is to say. You need to exit that trade and look for a re-entry. And third, take profits on winning trades. I always scale out of positions. Let's say I'm short 50,000 shares of a position and it's reached maybe 70% of my target. I like to take at least a third off right there. Always lock some in. Falls another 10, 15, 20 cents. Take another 10, 15,000 shares off, whatever. If you had a big loss last week, don't ever revenge trade. You really have to have a free and clear mind to trade in the markets. The biggest one of all, lastly, is cut losses, cut losses, cut losses. And I think as traders, if we can create a good list of rules with strict stop loss management, I think at the end of the day we can become more profitable traders.
I found that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nothing. Nelson Mandela said, "There is no passion to be found playing small and settling for a life that's less than the one you're capable of living." Now, I'm sure in your experiences in school and applying to college and picking your major and deciding what you want to do with life, I'm sure people have told you to make sure you have something to fall back on. Make sure you got something to fall back on, honey. But I never understood that concept, having something to fall back on. If I'm going to fall, I don't want to fall back on anything. I want to fall forward. I figure at least this way I'll see what I'm going to hit. Without consistency, you'll never finish. So do what you feel passionate about. Take chances. Don't be afraid to fail. There's an old IQ test was 9 dots, and you had to draw 5 lines with a pencil within these 9 dots without lifting the pencil. The only way to do it was to go outside the box. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Don't be afraid to fail big, to dream big. But remember, dreams without goals are just dreams. Reggie Jackson struck out 2,600 times in his career, the most in the history of baseball. But you don't hear about the strikeouts. People remember the home runs. Fall forward. Thomas Edison conducted 1,000 failed experiments. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Because the 1,001st was the light bulb. Fall forward. Every failed experiment is one step closer to success. You've got to take risks, and I'm sure you've probably heard that before, but I want to talk to you about why that's so important. You will fail at some point in your life. Accept it. You will lose. You will embarrass yourself. You will suck at something. There's no doubt about it. And I know that's probably not a traditional message for a graduation ceremony, but hey, I'm telling you, embrace it, because it's inevitable. In the acting business, you fail all the time. Early on in my career, I auditioned for a part in a Broadway musical. Perfect role for me, I thought, except for the fact that I can't sing. I didn't get the job. But here's the thing. I didn't quit. I didn't fall back. I walked out of there to prepare for the next audition, and the next audition, and the next audition. I prayed. I prayed. And I prayed. But I continued to fail, and fail, and fail. But it didn't matter, because you know what? There's an old saying, you hang around the barbershop long enough, sooner or later you're going to get a haircut. So you will catch a break, and I did catch a break. Last year, I did a play called Fences on Broadway. But here's the kicker. It was at the Court Theater. It was at the same theater that I failed that first audition 30 years prior. The point is, every graduate here today has the training and the talent to succeed. But do you have the guts to fail? If you don't fail, you're not even trying. I'll say it again. If you don't fail, you're not even trying. To get something you never had, you have to do something you never did. So imagine you're on your deathbed, and standing around your deathbed are the ghosts representing your unfulfilled potential. The ghost of the ideas you never acted on. The ghost of the talents you didn't use. And they're standing around your bed, angry, disappointed, and upset. They say, we came to you because you could have brought us to life, they say. And now we have to go to the grave together. So I ask you today, how many ghosts are going to be around your bed when your time comes? I just got back from South Africa. It's a beautiful country. But there are places there with terrible poverty that need help.
I'm going to just close and draw down.
And Africa is just the tip of the iceberg. The Middle East needs your help. Japan needs your help. Alabama needs your help. Tennessee needs your help. Louisiana needs your help. Philadelphia needs your help. The world needs a lot, and we need it from you. We really do. We need it from you young people. I mean, I'm not speaking for the rest of us up here, but I know I'm getting a little grayer. We need it from you, the young people, because remember this. You got to get out there. You got to give it everything you got, whether it's your time, your talent, your prayers, or your treasures. What are you going to do with what you have? I'm not talking about how much you have. Some of you are business majors, some of you are theologians, nurses, sociologists. Some of you have money, some of you have patience, some of you have kindness, some of you have love. Some of you have the gift of long suffering, whatever it is, whatever your gift is. What are you going to do with what you have? All right, now here's my last point about failure. Sometimes it's the best way to figure out where you're going. Your life will never be a straight path. I began at Fordham University as a pre-med student. I took a course called cardiac morphogenesis. I couldn't read it, I couldn't say it, I sure couldn't pass it. So then I decided to go into pre-law, then journalism. And with no academic focus, my grades took off in their own direction. I was a 1.8 GPA. And the university very politely suggested that it might be better to take some time off. I was 20 years old. I was at my lowest point. And then one day, and I remember the exact day, March 27th, 1975, I was helping my mother in her beauty shop. My mother owned a beauty shop up in Mount Vernon. And there was this older woman who was considered one of the elders in the town. And I didn't know her personally, but I was looking in the mirror, and every time I looked at the mirror, I could see her behind me, and she was staring at me. She just kept looking at me. Every time I looked at her, she kept giving me these strange looks. So she finally took the dryer off her head and she said something I'll never forget. She said, "Young boy, I have a prophecy, a spiritual prophecy." She said, "You are going to travel the world and speak to millions of people." And in the years that followed, just as that woman prophesied, I have traveled the world and I have spoken to millions of people through my movies. Millions who up till this day couldn't see me, who up till this day I couldn't see while I was talking to them, and they couldn't see me, they could only see the movie. They couldn't see the real me. But I see you today. And I'm encouraged by what I see. And I'm strengthened by what I see. Because taking risk is not just about going for a job. It's also about knowing what you know and what you don't know. It's about being open to people and to ideas. The chances you take, the people you meet, the people you love, the faith that you have, that's what's going to define you. Never be discouraged. Never hold back. Give everything you got. And when you fall throughout life, remember this.
Fall
Fall
forward.
forward.
The trade looks so clean though, bro. Looks so clean to continue down.
Yeah, bitch so bad I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you.
I'm gonna close this position on.
Like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe.
I got what you want. Nothing but a loop.
Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot. Girl, you too bad for me not to press you, yeah. Young fly nigga, I don't follow all these rules, yeah. Bitch, I'm making tunes, I ain't
Close it
saying
here.
no
Yeah.
rules. Let's go to an island where the water around is blue. I got two bad bitches in the coop. 42 in the bottle, glasses on full too. Ain't no games, I ain't playing on you, yeah. Take a trip, let's go shopping.
Big and previous 4 hours high, so good idea to close.
You can choose. If you want it, I can buy it, ain't no rules, yeah. I'm just saying, let me help you upgrade you, yeah. Fuck that nigga, he don't care about you, yeah. Girl, move on. He can't treat you like I do, my money too long. I got homies for your friends and we can group on. We are early, hit our shot like Curry. Bitch, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad. I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot, yeah. What's the move with you? Where you move it? I'm sticking like some glue with you. Got you doing all the things he never do with you. Got a smile and the vibe is something new with you. We can take a jet back out of setback, count cash in the bumblebee, a yellow drop vet. I've been doing a lot of shit that they never tried yet. Have your ice real frozen, you might get frostbite. Yeah, I just wanna do the dash. I'ma always put you first, never put you last. Way you shake that ass made me wanna throw some cash. Girl, you way too bad, throw that nigga in the trash. You know I'm gon' shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad. I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot.
I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I be moving cautious. I can't feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I be so exhausted, whoa, I be so exhausted, whoa, I close my eyes, I see the vision. All this weed and got me lifted, pour four, and then I finished tonight. I told my mama that I'm with it, got it solid, it's my kitchen. Middle finger to these bitches up, cause I'ma do it my way, sing just like the flu, ayy. Shawty said she love me, I told her who are you, ayy. I ain't with that lame shit since I took out your brain, bitch. All these niggas talking, fuck about what they saying. GTA I'm wasted, lately I've been anxious. I'm so done with this fake shit, I'm so done with you, I'm so done with you.
I'm not in nothing right now.
I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'ma keep like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all gon' hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama knew what I became. I got Von up on the phone, said he touchdown in LA. I'ma get it how I get it, I ain't changing for the fame. Man, I put it on my name. Lately I've been wasted, I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you, I'm so done with you. I'll be so exhausted. I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I just keep going, no, I've been so broken. These niggas done changed, yet they knocking my flows in. Oh, smiles, can't tell that my heart just been frozen. Stay low, low, low key, now don't cause no commotion. That's just for promotion, raw is my emotion. These songs that I'm composing, stay fly, that's cause I'm chosen. I don't do the posting, but all she do is post them. She like me cause I'm open, and I ain't off the potion. But I might be crispy like a white tee, meditated like Tai Chi, keep a check like Nike. Can't find a nigga that's like me, but I see fuck niggas that's high key. Flying on me most likely, can't fuck with me cause I'm icy. I've been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I'm leaning on the fixture, and I've been off the liquor. Sipping on that Remy with the Henny with a mixture. They follow me like scripture, and I've been getting quicker. Been had the upper hand, I hand-to-hand it like we never gon' fall. All my brothers on call. We forever gon' ball. No, it's nothing at all. I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. Niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change.
I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to start? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna start. Tired of this shit, yeah, finna flood my wrist, yeah. I'm writing all these hits, but I wonder what I'm missing. I can never call you my little baby, no. When I drop, I wonder if you say my songs. Cause every time we fucking, we done came and went. But I'm the type to kill for my baby, yeah. I don't care about no fucking Rollie or Mercedes, yeah. Need somebody that really ride or dies with me, yeah. But I don't get in my feelings, I get in my bag. Shawty, if you dumb me, no, we can't go run it back. They ain't the first bitch to do the run around. I might dub you first, shawty, how that sound. I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to start? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna start. So said I'm tired of all the acting and the bullshit. Girl, hit me back or I'll be back with a new biz. You know they trash, but you recycling the same dick. Girl, you stay shameless, bringing up they fucking names, bitch. I can't put my pride to the side this time. Before I blow up, I'm just trying to make you mine. But if you wanna pay me for my tickets, that's fine. All you gotta do is not reply. I can't wear no heart up on my sleeve, cause it's summer, baby. Only rock basic white tees, try and break a milli. I got women lined up on the silly to get faded with me. They get just as freaky in the sheets, try and get naked for me, yeah. I got so much drink in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lies. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide.
Surreal.
Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, I've been now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different, which you tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter what the story is, I never get it straight. I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways. All discussions turn to arguments, you weren't the one I started with. Ain't no conversations without thinking that I'm bothering. I just hate the feeling, girl, I'm sorry, but I'm blocking it. Caught up in your cycle when I really want no part of it. It's like I've been abandoned, you've been losing all my trust. Plus you'd always take advantage, so I knew it wasn't love. Playing on my insecurities, I think I ain't enough. Looking deep into the mirror, counting every single flaw. Now you got me doing things, saying things that I never do. Used to say I love you, now I'm never getting next to you. Take me 30 seconds if I wanna find a better you. Don't know why I deal with it, forget the shit I said to you. The Mayday I'm in, you got me falling down. I'm clearly distressed, but you won't make a sound. You choose all your efforts, you're up then you're down. This love isn't normal, it's killing me now. Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, I've been now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different, which you tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter what the story is, I never get it straight. I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways.
Yeah, I've been thinking about the pain and I can't go back. We ain't never been the same since we left off last. You were running through my veins, had a heart attack. Trying to keep me in your range, wait, fall back. Cause I'm sick of it. Devil and the demon on your shoulder when you're listening. Wishing I was special, but you never treat me different. Talking about a future, but I wonder what you picturing. All you do is run me in a circle, ain't forgiving it. Think I lost my time, then I lost my mind. You're the reason why I toss around in bed all night. Overwhelmed and suffocated all along those lines. Broken hearted every time you tell a lie. Yell Mayday, I'm here. You got me falling down. I'm clearly distressed, but you won't make a sound. You choose all your efforts, you're up then you're down. This love isn't normal, it's killing me now.
Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, I've been now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different, which you tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter what the story is, I never get it straight. I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways.
stardust season.
I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey, a fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the trap. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. Let me switch and I'm knowing the cap. I got back up so no I won't scrap. Can put us on safety, we pop like a strap. By the blow it, they hate it. By the chill, cause these girls overrated. They say that I'm flowing, they put me on playlists. I be rocking off white like I'm racist. I do what I want with my life with the matrix. Be too deep in my thoughts, I be jaded. Forget your opinion, don't need to be graded. I play in that word they see, but I waited. Gotta hop in the store and go make a song. By the blow so they know we can make a bond. She be looking so bad without makeup on. By the hell, it's his wife, call me Genghis Khan. Need my check, man, he always gon' run it. Brody capping his rap, he ain't done it. I can miss you, I'm chasing this money. You work for a goal and they start acting funny. Whenever chase, I'm always with my dogs. Yeah, we can hang it for vibes and off. I be rhyming all the time, taking off. RPX, I be dripping like Voss. Yeah, we be chucked to these people get loud. She a baddie from Apex, she liking my style. Me need me a show to go lighter the crowd. We been turning up lately, so what's going down? I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey, a fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the trap. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. They be switching, I'm knowing the cap. I got back up so no I won't scrap. Can put us on safety, we pop like a strap.
So many thoughts I can't fit on the page. Fuck it, this shit, I'ma shit off the brain. She said she like how I put it together. I been ever so I step out like a plane. Yeah, we hit the block in the chatter. I keep the door and came up off a stain. I'm just tryna see more Hondas. Jump out the porch, get it anyway. Like that from my father, he went federal. They had him sitting, he ain't had no day for my body with tots. Miss some medicine, that be the only thing he's in the pain. Say more money, more problems, just kept on my mom. Cause that money be making a way. And life in the game, but I'm moving with caution. I work hard and go pick up deposits and go make a play and no pausing. Gotta make sure everything fall in play like some pollen. She looked me in my face and told me she yawling. I fucked her so good she can't walk out her crawling. Like somebody passed me this ball and I'm ballin'. She sucked me again, think her memory jogging. Yeah, watch out some Flocko and DK gon' run up the rest while these niggas be jogging.
I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Think I'm flexing, I only do sometimes. I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey, a fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the trap. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. They be switching, I'm knowing the cap. I got back up so no I won't scrap. Can put us on safety, we pop like a strap.
Pull up 2 door on my lover. Do what I want, I'ma do it forever. Yeah. I want it all, nothing less. I could do what he do, but I'm doing it better. Yeah. Mix match the chrome with Marjala. I can say what I want, I don't fall for the drama. Nah. New girl, California. She be driving California. She want me like the vaccine. I made a check, didn't need no degree. I prove them all wrong, who didn't believe. Do it myself, I don't need no team. I can't no scholar. Hey, made me go farther. You can say what you want, but I'm still unbothered. Go down, get back up. Do it all myself, don't need no backup. Back then, I cannot believe I called you a friend. Hit me up now, get left on red. Learn to forget, but don't forget. Think about the future, past is dead. Live my life with no regrets. Every day I go to sleep, wake up to a payday. See me going up, she yelling Mayday. I don't like you when I'm sober. Baby, it's all over. Wanna hop inside the road. Find you belong in the spotlight. Go out every night is a highlight. Dark times right now, you a sunshine. I changed my life when I got rid of problems. I changed my life when I added a comma. Flying to Vegas to meet at a conference. I'll take a risk and I'm confident. I'll face my fear and I'll conquer it. Don't get impressed by a compliment. I'm more impressed from all my accomplishments. More than my diploma. They gon' get sick of me just like Corona. I don't give a fuck, that's my persona.
go get more. I'm an addict and I like it, like a superhero. I guess we must be my sidekick. I cannot go back, so I've been prowling for a new fix, smoking different strains. Someone tell me where the booth is. Tell me why you lacking. I can trust you 'cause I know you're finna fall. Too many times I told myself this marijuana getting old. I put those thoughts right in a cage. Now I smoke me another bowl, trying to melt all the time away. Every minute just too cold. I'm a sex addict. I love it when she touches the pole. My automatic bullets addicted to taking souls. We let him have it, empty the clip and reload. My bullets on go, I smoke some blow. I need it, I need my fix. Shop the demons, 'cause I'm so rich. Waiting, fiending, dreaming, thinking about my next time. Chasing the dragon, the one in my road. I'm screaming out, fuck it, I hate the drugs, but when I use, I love it. A painful love, the kind of pain when no one cares. Addiction, it whispers in my ears. Think you're better than this, regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro, this joint is the norm. You say you're getting off, but we've been here before. Here, I'll pass you some cash, you should go get more. Walking around with open arms, but my heart remaining closed. Care so much about perception, I buy designer clothes. I don't think they pay attention, as long as they're fulfilled. Your homies be there for trips, but don't wanna pay the bills. Won't go up inside my lungs, decisions so complicated. LSD on my tongue, I don't know if
This fucking rejection, bro.
I need a blunt, at least to keep me sedated. So tired of smoking runs, Gorilla Glue, I'ma face it. Oh, I need the Adderall. The devil hits my line, and I answer that call. I don't care, no, 'cause I'm on my own highway to hell. Chasing cash flow, but nigga, I ain't fucking with Zell. Like, give me the cash out. These other niggas fake like laugh tracks. It's at the top like a snapback. Your song a flop, we can have that. Used to whip around in a hatchback. Now I drive around smoking big guy. With a white bitch, got a fat. Told me pass that blunt, that's that shit that I'm my road. I'm screaming out, fuck it, I hate the drugs, but when I use, I love it. A painful love, the kind of pain when no one cares. Addiction, the whispers in my ears. Think you're better than this, regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro, this joint is the norm. You say you're getting off, but we've been here before. Here, I'll pass you some cash, you should go get more.
First leader Sajjad Gharib, also known as the Iranian Hulk or the Persian Hercules, is 25-year-old Iranian man, weighs around 340 pounds and stands at 6 foot 2 inches tall. He gained internet fame for his massive size and strength, with his upper body being compared to a giant redwood tree. Gharibi went viral after people discovered his Instagram page, where he showcases his impressive physique. Next,
Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, roll on to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, roll on to the back, we can do this shit all again. They all in the front, they show me love, them bitches, they bought their friends. Got racks in my pants and 10 in my hands, look how long I wait for this. I'm Mary Jeans with Dolce Gabbana, Fendi T on my door and the Pradas. I stay flying, I do what I wanna. Who the Prince of Flatbush? I'm the king of my hood. Now let's see how that look. DC to New York, just know we all good. But nigga, don't forget who was down for you. Most these bitches was clowning you. Switch on me, I never lied to you. Now you pull up, I got rounds for you. Yeah, yeah. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, roll on to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, roll on to the back, we can do this shit all again. We can do this shit all again. Knew what I wanted at the age of 10. No matter story or path, I always knew money was gonna be the end. Did what I want with no consequence. Now we gon' ball at the score again. We not allowed in the store again. I think cause we bought all the clothes again. All of them packages made a shit. Found a new beat and I made a hit. This is the story I started with. We got a boat to the max. Couple bands on my neck. Flying through cash and checks. You don't got a second guess. I know I'ma be the best. I know I'ma be the best, yeah. Same nigga from the block. Same nigga from the steps. Roll the dice, play it twice. You just might lose your life in these streets every night. I know niggas that was getting this chicken they cooking up. Guess they good in the kitchen. I started off from the street to the city. I'm getting guap. Let's go fuck up the city, yeah, yeah.
Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanged, and I guess it was a man. The picture I paint, it's never gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, or run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanged, and I guess it was a man. The picture I paint, it's never gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, or run to the back, we can do this shit all again. She wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking all this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She been tryna text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a Tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage, tryna test me. Wake up feeling moody, she just wanna use me. Story of my life, every day feel like a movie. I've been with a gang, walking around with them Thule. Air Force Ones on my feet, I've been cooling. Smoking on that Doja, not cat, just Skittles. Tattoos on my body, I'ma rock it like it's Riddle. She want ass shots, poke a hole like a dimple. Sticking to the code with the bros, keep it simple. And I ain't never need no soul. She just wanna call my phone. I ain't picking up, lil' hoe, I won't answer. She said she a Leo, but she act like a Cancer. Tell me what's the move? Tell me, baby, what you tryna do? I've been outside, what's the move? Look into my eyes, it's me and you, and that's the truth. She wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking all this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She been tryna text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a Tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage, tryna text. You wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking all this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She been tryna text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a Tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage, tryna test me.
Feel like what we had was different. It was caught up in each other. Guess I should've seen a difference. Was caught up with another. Don't know how I'm dealing with it. Don't know how I'm gonna recover. Guess I gotta cut my losses or else I'm just gonna suffer. The damage was done and you weren't the one. This shit was all over before it begun. The shit went and so did our love. Always forever was short like I thought. So long until we meet again. So long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the bands. So long, I'ma be like, it was time for me to vanish. Don't care if you understand it. All the nights you made me panic, I'm anxious to watch you planning. Highs and lows you made me manic, but doubled it, now I'm frantic. Now I'm leaving empty-handed, but happy to finally end it. Cause it don't even make sense when I think about the time I spent. All them years down the drain with them lies you said. Shit was never ever clear, that's why I'm upset. And I was never made aware, fuck it, I don't care. You the devil on my shoulder saying I should never leave. And I know it's finna haunt you cause I'm all you ever need. Now I'm longing for my sanity, it's hard for me to breathe. When you told me that you love me, that's some shit I don't believe. The damage was done and you weren't the one. This shit was all over before it begun. The shit went and so did our love. Always forever was short like I thought. So long until we meet again. So long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the bands. So long, I'ma be like the way I got voices in my head telling me things, tryna incite the violence. I never liked it, I tried to fight it. Last night we talked and I think that he's my friend, yeah.
how I feel being dead inside. And all I gotta say to you is forever goodbye.
The damage was done, and you weren't the one. This shit was all over before it begun. The shit went and sunk, and so did our love. Always forever was short like I thought. So long until we meet again. So long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the Benz. So long, I'ma be like the way, Look, I say yo bitch a party, call her Fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't want it. Man, these niggas never ballin', broke boy facts. But my money always calling, finna call back. On my back they put a target, what you call that? I just been a better artist, they won't talk back, real chat. I've been doing what I want, with no problem from the jump. It don't matter what I'm dropping, all these niggas finna bum. They be fighting over crumbs, I can never be with them. Add up all they fucking totals and you still won't get my sum. And these niggas sleeping on me, so I call them siesta. Shorty want it all, but I just had to next up. Said she had a friend and they
What's up, Siraj? I'm just chilling, bro. Waiting for a setup. I think about. I actually think about these right here. I actually think about this. The only problem is this news right here just completely fucks up the market structure, bro. This news right here literally fucks up the market structure. The reason why I say this news right here fucked up the market structure, because we should be going bullish above this level. Like, I'm expecting a lower high structure to be here. And breaking above this lower high structure will make me bullish, but technically the lower high structure is up here because of fucking news. If we ignore this news push and look at structure, I keep clicking that shit. It'll be lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Not paying attention to the news push. And then lower low. And this will be breaking above lower high to continue up.
Yo, won't stop shooting till the whole thing's empty. Better take this L like MP or Zeki. Singing my plate don't tempt me. Farm blocks late night, no entry. Sentry, bookies, all in the rest. Yo, man gets sort like
that's if we break above this level though. If we don't break above this level, we can look to stick cells below here for this break and retest right over here. Break, retest to continue down. Like that. So far we got a rejection right over here. 4 hour candle will be flipping bearish as well. So yeah, we had a big bearish 4 hour bearish engulfing right here. Big fat ass bearish candle. Breaking below this level of support right over here. Price pushed up, retested the level of support, and now we're coming back down to the bearish side of the structure. I think it's a lower time frame. Yeah, we got a lower time frame head and shoulders as well. So I want to take sells more. I want to take buys, to be honest. See, shoulder, head, shoulder, retest at the shoulder. For price to continue down.
the crowd. If you chill with the ops, you ain't making me proud. Bro, what's wrong with this child? He got his time to still runs his mouth. Cause he comes to the end, if broski's riding, then I'm riding, no doubt. I got hella length things from south, just brought their back and open mouth. Blue band, I don't chase no clout, I just hit the op, you smoke it and I'm out. But broski got knit like how, just wish him the best when they take it to chow. But broski got knit like how, just wish him the best when they take it to chow. I see broski watching, catching, mopping, hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, struck him, everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT popping.
I like sell below 2306. I'm looking for sell below this area. I don't want to buy actually. Keep my mind about that. UJ saying I want to sell below 201, 250. Let's sell below this area over here. Other than that, I don't want to buy at all. Last time we was this higher price was 2023 January, I think. So a year and a half ago. And EJ, I just want to sell. I just want to sell everything, bro. Fuck.
Watching, catching, mopping, hopped out the ride and chopped him. They get back, struck him, everyone's flossing, gassed up, OT popping. Machine gun shopping, shotgun locking, 2 hands bow and popping. My auntie still ask if I'm fine, I lost my mind, but the money ain't stopping.
Due to get long when calls starts flying. Buckets the A, don't expect kindness. Riding, I find it exciting. Knife it, somebody's dying. Pipe it, babe, stop piping. Cause it come down if I ride, he's riding. Bad come to the nis for a piping. Leave it, a little bro swag.
Best believe if we got smoke, you know what's up. Nowadays my niggas pushing Balenciaga, yeah, the truck. If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with many niggas, so I keep the hammer tucked. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust, yeah. I call her Uber if I drink too much, yeah. Hit these niggas with a Ruger, I don't play too much. My mama told me since a kid don't let them play with ya. Came in this game with my niggas and they hating us. Whoa, I got the juices like I'm high C. And shout out Brian, that's my nigga, that boy Brycey. I need a meal, I might just do it, call me Nike. These boys my son, I know they wanna be just like me. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. I just really want the bucks. I don't need to say too much. My gun's a thotty, it's a slut, yeah, slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah, dust. If you know it, blow you up. Yeah.
Best believe if we got smoke,
I don't know nothing about Nifty 50, bro.
my niggas pushing Balenciaga, yeah, the trust. If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with many niggas, so I keep the hammer tucked. I just really want the bucks.
So what would be nice for gold, I think, for sales, if we have another push up here, actually pulling deeper into the level, show the rejection wick up here, and then come and close below this level down here. That'd be nice. That'd be nice for some sales. Well, a one-minute strategy for bots is coming into play, actually. Break. Retest. Bots above this high. Look at the other time frame. whole area is rejection area. This is just so choppy. But these buys are here. Keep stops below this low. I'm gonna actually take this. Trade locker. I'm gonna take these buys right here. We can go 50 pip stop. I lost below this candle. I'm gonna get out up here. What the fuck? Oh, that's fine. I'm stupid as fuck. See where can I manage risk? We'll try stop loss at the lower resistance. That's about it. So what I got? 50 pip stop. I said 50 pip target. This is my 1 minute strategy. That's why I'm taking this setup. Let it break, impulse to the upside, a lower time frame correction. Like 1 minute, create lower lows and lower highs, breaking below this previous lower high structure 1 minute time frame right here. Then we break back above it, creating some bullish momentum on 1 minute time frame, anticipating that the 1 minute can go in confluence with the other time frames. What's good, Chris? Only problem with this buy is that I'm buying right below this resistance, which makes this risky. I don't think we could. I don't think we're gonna come all the way back down here. We're not gonna go. We're not gonna go 50 pips stop off. We're gonna go 35 pips stop off, just because it's risky. Hell yeah, bro. Wanna know some fucked up shit, bro? Whenever I'm not live trading, like, trading ain't the same. Whenever I'm not live trading not the same. I was literally, on Friday, I was literally 1% from passing my challenge. And I got clapped up, bro. I just had a fucking bad day. I just had a bad day because I wasn't live trading, bro. Swear to God. When I'm not live trading, I trade like shit. To be honest. Let's see. I'm gonna show you right now. Close positions. Before these losses right here, I was 1% from passing the challenge, literally. I had the account balance at $27,249, literally. I took these losses, put me below 26K. Then I started getting my wins back. Then yesterday, 2 days ago, these two losses right here put me back below 26 back below 27K again. Then I just took this win and I got this fucking loss, bro. All these trades was taken off stream though. Like whenever they wasn't even good setups, I was just taking them because I was like trying to hurry finish the challenge, like 1% away, bro. That shit made me pay for it. Now I'm back live trading, bro. Get back in the mojo and just go crazy, bro. I just gotta pay attention to the music that I'm playing so I don't get fucking kicked off again, bro. If we get a 30-minute quote above this level, I look to scale in. If we can get a 30-minute quote above this level, I look to scale in at the break of the high right over here. Stop loss below the low, giving me a tighter stop loss than what I have up here, and then target the 50 pips up here. That'll be clean.
I'm fucking tired of this shit, just let me be. And I can love no bitch, but she know I'm a boss. For these bitches tryna act like I feel something, but they ain't shit nothing. Shit, if I like what you gon' already run it down, run it up. All you suckers faking love, I'm kinda done, had enough. Now they hear LeBron name it about time, run it up. Now I'm a fucking ticking time bomb, we gon' fuck it up. No shit, all on them suckers know I'm violent. Me and my brothers moving past shit, we you hard.
This is a 1 minute strategy playbook setup right here. Let's see if this 1 minute setup holds up. Oh, 7 pips in profit right now. I just want to end the week off and break even, to be honest. I think I'm gonna draw down 3%, 4% this week. If I can end the week at break even, that'd be cool. Now, if I can end the week at 27K, that's a little over 4%, a little under 4%. I can end the week at 7K, 27K. That'll leave me and draw down 1% on my week. That's cool. I could live with that, bro. Still up on the month though, but that'll be 1% on the week and draw down. What I'm finna say? Recap on a $50 count flip I was doing. You see that $23 right now? It's not in drawdown. This is not drawdown, right? Let's look at the order history. So from the $50, I was up $100 something, like $101. I had this $36 win right here, giving me like, putting me up over a little over 100. Damn. But how the fuck do you see your withdrawal history, bro? I made a withdrawal on this. That's why it's under 20. That's why it's under 50. So I deposited 50. Let me just tell you, bro. I deposited 50. It started the count at like 48 or 47 or something like that. I grew it to 101, 100, something like that. Then I withdrew the 50 that I put in. So I withdrew the money, my actual money that I put in. That way, everything else left in the account is just profit that the market already gave me. So now it's like basically break even if I lose this $23, whatever the case may be. That was the idea. So I turned the 50 to 100. I withdrew the 50. Now I restarted at like 40 something. Now it's at 23. So that's this. If this 30-minute could close below the level, I would like this 30-minute to close below the level, right? If this 30-minute could close below the level, the next 30-minute candle start to push down, create a bottom wick, then flip and close above the level during London Open, like 3 o'clock close above the level with some volume. I'll definitely take the bias to continue up. Gotta be clean.
Send me your location. Never pulling up, got we going out of state. Talking about like starting up. Baby, what it do? Baby, gon' send me your bodies like it do. Tell me where you at, me your location. Never pulling up, got we going out of state. Talking about like starting up. Baby, what it do? Baby, gon' send me your bodies like it do. Tell me where you at, little baby. Pull up to the battle, shawty, hop in the Mercedes. On this trending topic, I'm on top, I'm feeling wavy. Girl, you better stop it, no, you not gon' have my baby. Whoa, what's up for the us, they tryna play me. Whoa, shawty, I'm inside, you can keep it on the low. Yeah, let's go for a ride. Tell me where you wanna go. I'll be here for the night. Yeah, that's shawty, yeah, you know that. I'll be by your side. Send me your location. Girl, I'm pulling up, got we going out of state. Popping bottles, turning up. Baby, what it do? Baby, gon' send me your bodies like it do. Tell me where you at, me your location. Girl, I'm pulling up, got we going out of state.
Let me know if the music too loud too, bro.
Send me your location. I'm pulling up, got we going out of state. Talking about like turning up. Baby, what it do? Baby, gon' send me your bodies like it do. Tell me where you at, me your location. I'm pulling up, got we going out of state. Talking about like turning up. Baby, what it do? Baby, gon' send me your bodies like it do. Tell me where you at, little baby. Little baby, little baby, little baby, little baby. Send me your location.
Sauce it up. Rain, calling on my phone. Baby, yeah, leave me alone. Rain, calling on my phone. Baby, yeah, leave me alone. Holding up all again, no. Motherfuckers hate me like, whoa. I guess they mad, yeah, they mad that they can't get a bag like me, no. Whoa, bitch, calling on my phone. Unknown number, I'ma leave that shit alone. She stone cold.
Trust shit anymore. Yeah, I've been in my life, but it'll catch up. Shawty let me on the road, but it'll get up. New York City lights, leave me
Alright, I got shampoo in my hair under the do-rag, so let me go wash that motherfucker out.
Life ain't easy when you young, and we pop out just for fun. Got no stress, yeah, I know that I'm the one. Yeah, no fun, yeah, poolside in the sun, yeah. One choice, new life, different city, different size. Took a lot to have bad thoughts, but I swear money feeling nice. Everyone crazy, I swear that house be amazing. Yeah. These women be crazy, yeah. So ho, get the fuck up on my DMs, eat it. Haters, I don't see them. Chopper on me, 40 clip. Wipe your nose like Kleenex. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm tryna be what I'm dreaming. Can't fall asleep, I ain't eating. Oh, yeah. Shots, yeah, we think we CIA, we do drugs, yeah, we think we FTA, yeah, go be safe, don't know you can die today, know you can fly away, know you can ride away,
Okay, so far we got a closure that I wanted. 30-minute closing below. I just need this next 30-minute closing above, which will be the hourly close as well. Going into the London open volume.
Said I'd be there in a blink, of an eye. From something from nothing to find that it's you for greatness. I had no patience. Couple of rounds on my plate, and there's more tomorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. Sipping that solo with a fake open solo. Gotta lay low to the payroll, say so.
like, are you here to stay, or are you just okay?
My heart been tied up in knots. I'm pulling the trigger, I feel like a cop. I'm wrecking the figures to buy me a chop, and I'm chopping these bitches. They tell me to stop.
Yeah, life ain't easy when you young, and we pop out just for fun. Got no stress, yeah, I know that I'm the one. Yeah, no fun, yeah, poolside in the sun, yeah. One choice, new life, different city, different size. Took a lot to have bad thoughts, but I swear money feeling nice. Everyone crazy, I swear that house be amazing. Yeah. These women be crazy, yeah. So ho, get the fuck up on my DMs, beat it. Haters, I don't see them. Chopper on me, 40 clip. Wipe your nose like Kleenex. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm tryna be what I'm dreaming. Can't fall asleep, I ain't eating. Oh, yeah.
juice and let me smoke this tropical weed. B, I got the medicine flavors. Don't think that this shit comes cheap. So bitch, don't moan when I charge 15 for a D. Just a little nigga in his zone. Grind hard, can't stay on these streets. Mishmash and I'm doing it all. Dip stash and I'm getting in peak. Huh? I'm in the field all day. No time for these stupid neeks. Come, bitch, come my way. Just watch how veteran speaks. Tooled up on the left for my prey. The Wiggins don't want me to eat. Man, the hood's all mad. I wish I could just make my pee, but these bitches on me, so you know I can't lack. The J boy's really on my back, got me in and out of court, got me feeling a twat. And it's all my fault, cause I'm always getting caught like I'm better than that. The feds got like 10 of the gang, 3 R1, 3 Max, 3 Taz. Rest in peace with my brothers, RP Jets, RP T bands. I built a sweet one with a mean kickback. When I think about my bros, RP with my brothers, gorgeous thing, amazing round. Smiles when the pack came in, now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing, that was an amazing round. What you do with that shit? I didn't even make a sound. Couple draw outs came in, now we gotta take them out.
Welcome to the stream, Prince. Thanks for the follow, bro.
Stay stopped up, real shit. The plug don't see no drought. Bro said he got a move, cool, show me the ins and outs. Said quick, we're in and we're out. If he's giving it up, then we're putting him down. Real trap nigga, I'm grabbing them packs and I push it around. If the line goes stiff, then I'm hitting the strip and I percolate town. Said he got bits of the loud, what bits of the loud, bro, ring right now. I'm trying to make a killing right now. Fuck that bitch, I ain't with it right now. Why this bitch wanna grab on my jumper?
Let's see if we could.
Now she calling me a one-hit wonder. I hit that once and where I went, I wonder.
Oh,
okay. Social fucker. More about these blank replies. Or these replies only gonna
see if we can take out this high right here.
Shit,
I'll go break even if we take out this high.
I love going around on a gorgeous glide, trying to see a gorgeous number. My mum don't like how I play with knives. Well, I'm real sorry, mother, but I won't have no joke. Boy, take my life, so for now I gotta stay with my other. Stay with my other. Stay with my other. Smiles when the pack came in. Now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing. That was an amazing round. What you do with that shit?
Alright, here's where I go break even.
Couple draw outs came in.
He re-break this high. Then I'll scale in with the closure above.
The plug don't see no drought. Bro said he got a move, cool, show me the ins and outs. Said quick, we're in.
Hey, it's Jared from Kings of Leon. Listen to our new song Nowhere to Run on YouTube and YouTube Shorts. Your one-stop shop for music.
And we're out if he's giving up.
Yeah, I feel you, bro. Shit's already moved, though. Shit's definitely moved.
Catch me running through hell, yes, I'm ready to go. I don't know where to tell you when. You can catch me. You can catch me running through hell, yes, I'm ready to go. I don't even know where the time went. I don't know where the time went. Way too much time to spend amongst the hellfire flames, burning all the way. Madness in my brain. Time spent.
ways. Shorty, she see that I'm on. Already know that I'm paid. I've been a beast, I just got off the leash and I'm breaking right out of the cage. She wanna hop on the wave. Told her to hop on my face. It's too late for that. The way you be acting, I don't need to find a place for that. Gave you a part of my heart, I wish I could take it back. Wish I could take it back, yeah. If we just face the facts, showing love is too late for that. Showing love is too late for that. If it's broken, I'm replacing that. Memories, I'm erasing that. Gotta go, I'm escaping that. Matter of fact, I'm upgrading. Got me a couple of dimes in my rotation. One in relations. Bigger than no conversation. Ain't got the time, too much celebrating. Another day, another dog. Now she want me as a crush. She want me to eat it like lunch. Make the little girl fall in love. If I was to give you a chance, I promise it'd only be one. Find out you take it for granted. You get it left in the dust. You get it left in the past tense. Can't treat me right, then I just gotta dip advantage. Said your ex, he left you tragic. Just because you sad and damaged, don't give you the right to hand it. But it's too late now, yeah, it's too late now, yeah. Had to upgrade from my regular ways. Shorty, she see that I'm on. Already know that I'm paid. I've been a beast, I just got off the leash and I'm breaking right out of the cage. She wanna hop on the wave. Told her to hop on my face. It's too late for that. The way you be acting, I don't need to find a place for that. Gave you a part of my heart, I wish I could take it back. Wish I could take it back, yeah. If we just face the facts, showing love is too late for that. It be too late to show me all your love. It be too late for the kisses and hugs. Play with my heart, baby girl, you a dog. Say you want me, but I know it was lost. Let a boy fly, he lit, he up. All of a sudden, I'm her number one. Top of the list, no, I cannot forget what those shawty was like when I didn't have none. Back in the days, I was down on my luck. Ain't nobody around me. I went out of my way just to give you my trust. You took it so that you could drown me. Now I'm swimming in cash, I done got to the bag. Had to cut out that fake look from around me. My heart been getting colder and colder. I put up these walls and I'm saying my boundaries. Had to switch up the normal routine. She acting different cause my pocket's obese. Yes, I'ma get money fiend when it come to the paper. I cannot let you in between. What can I say? I'm sorry, not sorry about losing feelings I had back in the day. She want me to stay now, too late now, too late. Yeah, had to upgrade from my regular ways. Shorty, she see that I'm on. Already know that I'm paid. I've been a beast, I just got off the leash and I'm breaking right out of the cage. She wanna hop on the wave. Told her to hop on my face. It's too late for that. The way you be acting, I don't need to find a place for that. Gave you a part of my heart, I wish I could take it.
Look at this fucking 15-minute candle, bro. I couldn't take a sub low if I wanted to. Shit didn't never give a fucking closure. It just dumped down. Straight momentum, just. Same thing with EJ, yep, just dumped down. Well, EJ still didn't close yet, so. Even taking a sell here on EJ, it's kind of stupid because it's a 50 pip stop on 50 pip stop on gold. Okay, cool. A 50 pip stop on EJ is crazy though.
23 like I'm Janice Prime. Put my money on you, baby girl, you would die. Ride for my brothers, know I'm dying for mine. Take my heart, I don't want it back. Like that last bitch left, but I got it back. And you know you nearly gave a kid a heart attack. I'm just happy that I'm leaving with my heart intact.
Alright, we broke our stops at break even point, so I'm gonna trail stops right here. We're gonna go break even. I really don't want to go break even though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna stick to the plan. I high key don't even want to go break even, bro. The plan say break even right here, so we're gonna stick to the plan. I want to keep my stops below this 30-minute low. That's just a 15-minute low. Big orange, big change. Big love frame and that big orange. Then I met you, shit ain't been the same. Like pretty little thing got a hold on me. And we be shining with my baby, that my shorty right beside me. That's my ex, she gon' say I got a moth in my room, bro. Fuck, that shit's annoying. Check the wrist, now we call that perfect timing. And you know that we be riding, never needed space, then I'm buying you an island. Really don't feel like getting up to kill that shit though.
my face, get it tattooed. I say, go post a pic in my attitude. Shawty with a body and the shape is like a dollar sign. Come and put it on me, know you wanna hit.
I'm just gonna close, fuck it.
Blowing on my phone, but I'm switching numbers all the time. With you, I go
Actually, I'm not gonna close. I'm not a bitch,
on the line. Big orange,
change.
thick little frame and that big orange.
I was about to say we gonna close. I was gonna close because it's still like it's rejecting, but just gonna hold it, bro. If I get broken even, that'll be this 30-minute candle flipping and breaking its own low. So that's definitely would invalidate this trade. Looking on the lower time frames, like the 1 minute, we'll be breaking below this 1 minute higher low structure, coming down, approaching this 1 minute higher low structure as well. This is where we went bullish at. This is where I executed the trade at. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We made a new higher high. So no reason we should come back down here. If we come back down here, then we breaking 1 minute structure. So makes more logically makes more sense to keep my stop loss below this low, which was fairly roughly my break even entry.
That shit was blessing?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, alright.
Alex, run that shit back. Hey, yo, hit no, that shit fire, bro.
Yeah. Hey, can you do this for me? Cause girl, I need you by my side.
I give Boz a second chance to get a 30-minute closure about this level. If I get broken even, I get broken even. Fuck it.
Really fucking with me, and I can't get you out my mind. Can you do this for me? Cause girl, I need you by my side. Can you do this for me? Cause lately I've been asking why. Could she do this to me? I'm in my bag and I can't lie. Really fucking with me, and I can't get you out my mind. Shawty, I don't think it's cool the way you playing with the boy. Switching up, changing up, I swear you play me like a toy. I did you right, I always try. I should've listened to my boys. Cause they was right, I didn't listen. Now you flaking on
If I
the
catch this
boy.
moth,
I
I'm gonna
can't
kill
do
that
this
shit.
anymore. I be going back and forth. These girls, they all the fucking same. They playing games and I ain't for it. I put you in that new Dior. Now she acting like a whore. Girl, I was holding on to you, but I can't hold on anymore. Hey, can you do this for me? Cause girl, I need you by my side. Hey, can you do this for me? Cause lately I've been asking why. Could she do this to me? I'm in my bag and I can't lie. Really fucking with me, and I can't get you out my mind. Hey, can you do this for me? Cause girl, I need you by my side. Hey, can you do this for me? Cause lately I've been asking why. Could she do this to me? I'm in my bag and I can't lie. Really fucking with me, and I can't get you out my mind.
Listen, you could pay for a streaming app and a music app, or just get YouTube Premium for $13.99, which gives you both. YouTube Premium. Try 1 month free.
This shit high, boy.
Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we heading for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I'm a stun. Oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my wave, they can ride me. Pull up in a foreign to the curb, looking icy. I ain't never stressed about the fit, I'm on hype. I want more friends, there's a problem. I been living like a king since I hopped in. Yeah, my foot is in the bins, yeah, I'm riding with a gang. Yeah, I hit a hot lick, I'm the top shit. Bought a two-seater, it's a Beamer, more than 100 racks. VV's Aquafina, I be iced, I don't ever cap. First name deal, I got my bag, yeah, we automatic. Ice cream reefer, hold it up, yeah, we feeling gas. Driving with a tower, going 100, running flow it up. Riding with my shawty, yeah, I knew I had to flow it up. Looking like a bottle, shawty bad, yeah, she know what's up. Looking at the stars, I don't fuck it up. Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought a two-seater, yeah, we heading for the sun. Shawty got my high, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I'm a stun.
Did I get taken out? Bro? No, I thought I got taken out. Right, was literally like right here.
100+ channels of live TV, your favorite sports, movies, and more, with no hidden fees or long-term contracts. Plus, get up to 6 accounts per household with YouTube TV. Try it free. Terms apply. Cancel anytime.
It's already close. Look like it's gonna close with rejection though. If I don't get broken even before this hourly close and this hourly close still rejecting, it's probably gonna get broken.
Hop inside an Audi, then I hit the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big guns, big sticks, big rash. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I get it when I wanna. Smoking marijuana, keep it hotter than the sauna. Smoking till the sun up. They asked me if I have bands, I said bring your funds up. They texted me to a challenge and they didn't show up. Where they at though? Pop out at your party and I got the stick tucked. You just walked out on your skateboard looking like a dumb fuck. Mama told me get a bag and I said run it up. With the naughty and a jag, but I need a bench truck. I need real cheese, big ass peso. Don't fuck with me.
I end up getting broken even on this position. Now I'm thinking about it like this is the most recent higher low. If we can close above it, we can get a buy, but we look like we're rejecting it right now. If we do reject it hard, we could continue to we could come back down to continue with this lower low, lower high structure, right? Something like that. This is lower time frame structure continuing up. So we tap into this level, we might have a correction back down to the bottom of the range. I could sell it down there because this invalidates me getting break even right here, invalidates my trade. Also, we have another 1 minute strategy set up playing out right over here with this push up right here. High, 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 low, high, 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 low. Took our previous higher low to get my sell going. Stop loss below this for my 1 minute strategy. This is very, very tight, much tighter stop loss, and give me a better R to R. So I'll take 2 lots on this sell. There'd be 2 lots on this sell. Be $400 stop loss.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube, and video downloads.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna take 2 lots on this
watch
sell.
cooking shows as you eat airplane food.
Might be my last trade of the session.
YouTube Premium. It's way
Closing
more
bearish.
than ad-free. Try 1 month on us.
We're closing bearish, anticipating that the 1 hour time frame volume, the 1 hour time frame closure being a rejection candle, carries us with volume coming in, carries us to the bottom of the range. Stop loss above the 1 minute higher high structure. So we going to take 2 lots on this sell. Entry 23/11/54. 23/11/54. Another 1 minute strategy setup. This will be the last setup though.
I need some space, the O2, and I get the shit that you go through.
I need 40 pips. 40 pips on 2 lots is 800. So that's what I want to make off this position. 40 pips. And we're gonna go 20 pips stop loss.
I do this shit that gonna set me apart. Girl, I'm a savage. So I got a bad bitch, stay at the top, yeah. We came from the bottom. I got a script from the dock, yeah. Got Percocet problems. My haters want me to flop, nah. Say fuck when we ballin'. I don't say shit, but I miss you a lot, yeah.
A close half and draw down right here.
You better pick up the phone, I phone you. I don't go, bro, that's the shit that my clones do. I don't show love to a whole lot of own you. I wanna hold you, don't always do the shit that I'm supposed to. If I act right with a whole shit bad, some things better in the past, though, yeah. But I bust this little bit from the back, ayy. Just tryna get my rack, ayy. It's alright, I'm a hoe too. You just wanna get me high. Don't talk much, I'm slow too. Last whole left, she ain't say why.
This is the new trade idea.
What I go through. I just need space, need O2.
We're gonna target
Can't say
down
why
here.
I chose you. My new drip finna get me fly. Girl, it's alright, I'm a hoe too. Just got a bag, I'm a blow through. I need some space, need O2. And I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with. On stand, I don't know shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted. I remember the blog I was posted. My revenue gon' shine like a glow stick. I like can you swallow this whole shit. They riding my wave like an ocean. Wait, I can't tell the time on my new Audemars. I do this shit that gon' set me apart. Yeah, girl, I'm a savage. So I got a bad bitch. I got DNZ dark. I took her home and I ripped her apart. Tried to show love and she ripped on my heart. Green around me like I should at the park. I smoked gelato, don't fuck with a cart. And I probably flooded shit off from the start. I know what you been, I know what you are. Still wanna lay with you stare at
It's my last trade of the session, to be honest.
On the YouTube Music app, you can bump your fave songs in the background while you do stuff in the foreground.
I just took a benzo, but I just wanna vibe with my friends though. And don't put me up in no friend song. But can we still fucking be friends though? Nah, probably not. I'm in a city where they really rob and show you the game, but you really up and shit. It's alright, I'm a hoe too. Just got a bag, I'm a blow through. I need some space, need O2. And I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with. On stand, I don't know shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted. I remember the blog I was posted. My revenue gon' shine like a glow stick. I like can you swallow this whole shit. They riding my wave like an ocean. Wait, I can't tell the time on my new Audemars. I do this shit that gon' set me apart. Yeah, girl, I'm a savage.
Hey yo, water boy. This shit wet. We run it up for sure. That bitch gon' not know amateur. Run that shit, we at all the show. Say that shit for your camera roll. I did everything for it, so now we pull up with foreign though. Shot the top of the foreign now. We're about 2 or 3 foreign ho. Yeah, they calling us overseas. Didn't know that they noticed me. How the fuck am I supposed to see when I got purple glow on me? Since they calling us overseas, time to take over all of these scenes. Flashy nigga, I gotta be seen. Can I start, bitch, we cop everything.
Hit my close half point. Look like our 30-minute candle is actually going to close above, which is fucking annoying. I'm gonna close this. I'm not even gonna close that. I'm gonna close the whole trade based off of this closure within the next 1 minute. If we close above, I'm just closing the whole trade. Fuck it. I guess it's just not my week to need this week, bro. Cause what the fuck? Like literally comes down, breaks me even, invalidates market structure, and then continues in my direction. Look at this hourly close. This hourly close above. I'm just gonna close the position.
You could pay for a streaming app and a
I'm
music
getting out
app,
here.
or just get YouTube Premium for $13.99, which gives you both.
I'm not taking another trade. I just want to watch market structure
YouTube
at this
Premium.
point
Try
because
1 month free.
I don't know what the fuck's going on with structure. So I'm done trading for today though, but now I just want to focus on what's going on with these candles. Just try to see what's going to actually be the outcome. Are we going to continue up, or are we going to fake out these bars and continue down? Wait, did I close it already? Okay, I did. It's actually pissing me off, bro. Come down 5% this week, bro.
Hey, bitch, say my name. Too dope, cool nigga ain't shit changed. Bad that bitch, shorty screaming my name. And the phone sped off with a brand new chain. Now a nigga know that he fine. When a nigga pop out of design, ain't the boot cooking up and he hide. If the bitch wanna fuck, gotta find her. Say you want smoke, but he lying. If you wanted that, he would come find us. Niggas know we ain't doing no hiding. When we pushing out here, come the sirens. 33 bags with some brand new Trivicci. I just put that bitch in a drop top. Up in the kitchen, ain't cooking no weenie, but shawty said she want a hot box. I ate it once and I'm going in the jiffy, cause our ugly friend wanna cut. No, I can't fuck with that thought, nah. JB pop out with that glide. They see me in, I wanna be losing, but I was just prepping myself for the win. She brought a friend, beat up the pussy, then I go and cop and hop in the band. She love my music, but say it's confusing, and I ran it up from the start to the end. You just a fan, why I'ma tell you the ins and outs, how I run it on band. I need that bag today, so I ain't got time to be tripping or writing no love song, yeah. Writing no love song, we all experience love loss, yeah. Niggas be hating, so they got me cruising around with a stick. Cool as a bitch, you know I ain't never gonna lose again, I'm running this shit. She got some back and she carrying, only keep for a week, I ain't marrying. If you shoot it at me, then I'm parrying. Hey, your nigga, you weak, he's jarring. Sipping on you for some weeks, tryna marry. How the pussy ain't what you Aquarius. I be gone for a week, I get back, we can leave. Say it likely to blow, it's precarious. AP, bust, drip, water when I step at the house. Big ballin', put a dick in the mouth. TTG, my niggas hand shit out. She know she ain't my little secret. In the pussy, I'ma stretch a bitch out. Yeah, my phone probably stressing her out. My baby niggas know we bout. She want the money, the power, the glory. She think I'm in love, but I'm fucking a friend. Don't have no friends, but I got some brothers that I know is rocking with me to the end. All of my partners in tune with each other, and none of them stressing about many bands. She got a man, but shawty a freaking and she, so I don't give a fuck about a man.
Let's actually clear my chart and do an analysis. Actually, we're gonna start on the weekly time frame actually as well. Previous weekly closed bearish. This weekly is creating a level of support at this weekly support level right here. Let's go on a daily. Let's bring this level down a little bit. We had this break and retest right over here.
On the YouTube Music app, you can bump your fave songs in the background.
Let's mark up this level.
Foreground.
Above this level, we have this level of resistance and support right over here. Got down to the 4 hour. Bring this down a little bit. Look on the 4 hour time frame. We have a minor level right over here. Let's make this yellow. So I know that this is a minor level. Okay. 4 hour is bearish. You have a lower low right here. Potential lower high. We should be going. Daily is bullish above this level. 4 hour is bearish, right? We made new lows, breaking all these lows over here. Have a potential lower high. Not considered a lower high yet until we break this low right over here. So anything above here, we're go potentially continue down. Look on the 1 hour time frame, we were bullish over here. Right, we're in the bullish retracement for these higher highs and higher low structure points. We went bearish on a 1 hour time frame. Breaking this low right over here. This is where we went bearish at. This was our lowest point before breaking higher high structure. Right, this was a higher high, this was a higher low. This was the lowest point before breaking higher high. Right. Then we had a new higher low. My most recent higher low structure is actually right here. This is where we would go bearish on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, we go bearish here. Let's mark up this level as a level of support. Make this green because it's not a minor level. This is actually a major level. Let's look at it to the left. Yes, this is a major level. So all support right over here, all resistance right over here. Support right over here, resistance right over here, support right over here. Resistance right over here. This resistance just failed though. It's pissing me off because it looks like we're coming back down, bro. This is some bullshit.
So you're on YouTube watching how to make popcorn, but did you
Alright, we
know
got this
there's a YouTube music app
inverted. We got his head and shoulders,
podcasts about
giving you confirmation that we should continue down here. I guess my sell was too early. I tried to sell based off of my 1 minute chart strategy in this area, right? So learning from this trade, I shouldn't have took this out in the first place because this is a choppy area, right? We have choppiness right over here, indecision, more indecision, right? This lets me know that this is a choppy area, so shouldn't even be taking any positions with this area. I shouldn't have took this buy or I shouldn't have took this sell. I was trading in a choppy range. Above this range, you have more of a choppy range. Above this range is considered risky buys, right? Buys above this range, but it's risky because it's still choppy, right? The reason why I got broken in my first trade and I lost the second trade was for the simple fact that I was trading within a no trade range, right? It was risky positions all within that range because the traffic to the left hand side wasn't the cleanest. So we're gonna label this risky buys, and we're gonna copy and paste this up here. These are the more clean buys. All right, the more clean buys is above this level because we have clean pushes right over here. Not the cleanest, but decent push right over here. It's way better than trading within this choppiness, right? I shouldn't have took a sell or buy in this area. This is indecision. What I should wait for, if I wanted to take the sells with the 1 hour in confluence with the 4 hour in a 30-minute, take my sells as we re-break these lows right over here. This should have been my sells below area. This should have been my sells below area. I should have waited till we got a quarter below this level. And I could look to target this level right over here. Resistance, support. So this should have been that range I was trading in. This is not even the cleanest range at all either, right? It's not as choppy as this, but it's a little more clean. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Just choppy right here and kind of choppy right here. So this could be my risky sells below area. My clean sells below area would be down here to target this minor level. This minor level right over here, or this weekly level that I first marked up. Green. Boom. Alright, this should have been a trade. Should have been no trades within this area. I should have waited. So we got a quarter back below here, or a quarter below there for sales. Even though the sales look like it's still come back in my direction, but we didn't quite actually get up to this level to reject it, so it's not considered a rejection, right? So if I want to take a sell, I should have waited for a deeper pullback, right? My zone right here was a little bit inaccurate. That's the reason why I lost this setup. This zone was inaccurate. I had it drawn up off of it here. Okay, yeah, I had it drawn up off of here, right? This was the level I had marked up, which was I had a little bit
Music
lower.
app can sense what you like from the moment you open the app.
I had it like this,
Try 1 month free.
which made the zone inaccurate. That's why I lost this trade. I had an inaccurate level. If I would have waited for a deeper pullback up here, then took a sell off of 1 minute strategy, this would make more sense, but it still would have been within a choppy range, right? Even though we're pushing down now, we still didn't quite get that higher high right over here. So according to the 1 minute time frame, we are still bullish, right? Starting from this price point here, we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So now if we could actually come into the zone and then have a breaker structure, this will be the more of a 1 minute strategy setup. I was just inaccurate with my levels. I took the trade based off of this, stop loss above here, end up getting stopped out. I didn't get stopped out, I closed early because I was just like, fuck it. But if I hold my 20 pips stop, would I still be, no, I still got taken out trade. It's over 20 pips. I would still got taken out trade anyway, so. Now looking at it, looking at the 4 hour. We're going to use the rest of the session to just analyze the chart and learn something. Not to actually trade.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and ad-free videos on the YouTube Kids app, so kids can bounce the Kids Bop without missing a beat. YouTube Premium, it's way more than ad-free. Try 1 month on us.
Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it all now. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. Who that hopping out the Beamer? It's a party when I see ya. Fell in love with my demeanor. and she love the way I treat her. We gon' pour it by the leader. Everybody watching now, I'm blowing off the meter. All these people talking Frank Sinatra through the speakers. If they got a problem, cause in time he got a feature. So I'm popping off. Now I'm hearing talks about falling off. I could never. All these people that been dropping off, I could never. All that talking just to top it off, I could never. Got a bag, homie. I don't mean to brag, homie. Know a lot of people hate on me. Get the fuck up on my way, homie. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it, oh no. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it, oh no. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. Ain't nobody pop where I'm from. No attention now, these hoes falling like it's autumn. Richie Paulo on top, that's a fucking problem. Russian cream, suede seats like we hit the ladder. And I hold on to my pride, cause you know where I'm from. And I grip that bottle tight, I'ma sip it till it's done. I'ma take that corner wide while I'm screaming red rum. You the Bonnie to my Clyde, now we really on one. Now I know you wanna party all night, mix the Henny with Bacardi. All night in that Giorgio Armani. All white, and I know you love that vodka with peach Sprite. Can I hit it in the morning? Cause I'm flying, man, I'm soaring. I'm just going through the motions. There's no telling where we're going. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it, oh no. I'm a playboy like Sinatra. See the evil eye every time we pull up. Talking about the fakes, but that's not us. You know you can call me Dundada. Baby, we gon' pull up to the opera. Baby girl, I know you wanna hit it, oh no. I'm a playboy like Sinatra.
The YouTube Music app can sense what you like from the moment you open the app. Try 1 month free.
Sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Running on my guap and it's steady now. I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Trying all these pills, how I'm living now. Sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Running on my guap and it's steady now. I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Trying all these pills, how I'm living now. Sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Running on my guap and it's steady now. I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Trying all these pills, how I'm living now. Yeah, I didn't want that cake. She didn't want my money when I pull up in the rate. Hop on my way, but where am I going? Get into the cake, yeah, you know I'm a boy. Yeah, you know I got a problem, but I just want a cake. Money on me, yeah, you know I won't change. Too many thoughts when I pull up in the range. Too many thoughts when I pull up in the range. Yeah, I didn't want a cake. She didn't want my money when I pull up in the range. Hop on my way, where am I going? Get into the cake, yeah, you know I'm a boy. Sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Running on my guap and it's steady now. I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Trying all these pills, I'm living now. Sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Running on my guap and it's steady now. I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Trying all these pills, I'm living now. Sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Running on my guap and it's steady now. I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Trying all these pills, I'm living now. Pop a little molly, hope it don't die. Why she always lying? Yeah, I see it in her eyes. Pull up in the coupe, now she gon' ride. Pull up in the coupe, now she gon' ride. Now I'm feeling alright. I'm speeding through the night. I'ma curl my whip, and I hope it don't die. I don't want that cake. She don't wanna fuck me when I pull up in the rate. I'm on my way, but where am I going? Get into the cake, yeah, you know I'm a boy. Sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Running on my guap and it's steady now. I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Trying all these pills, I'm living now. Sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Running on my guap and it's steady now. I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Trying all these pills, I'm living now. Sipping on that walk and it's heavy now. Running on my guap and it's steady now. I didn't want that top and it's been a while. Trying all these pills, I'm living now.
never been a hating type. Baby, love me on sight. And yeah, she know I can't stay tonight, but I put Henny on ice. And yeah, we really getting faded, right? Yeah, girl, I'm trying to feel nice. And all this music, I'm taking flight. Yeah, everything feel right. I ain't really into popping off, cause begging ain't my type. Finna put a Benz in my parking lot, and my brothers shoot, they don't fight. So we don't really sit and just talk a lot. Don't think I had an off night. She see me slide in that parking lot, I think she like the off-white. And no, I really don't say a lot, they heard and know what I did. Can't wait until a nigga drop the top, thinking about how I live. And I can make your name popular, but I ain't giving out drips. And yeah, I'm focused on popping off, you know I'm just trying to win. If I keep on going retarded, I'll put on for where I started, cause I know they all wanna see me ballin'. I gotta work hard, ain't no bargains. Think that I'm wise and I really been jogging. Man, I need somebody say to bargain. She do it all so she know that I'm allin'. So she know that I'm allin'. Push that cash so fast, I just kept moving when it got bad. You can't steal my fashion, you wouldn't know what I did for this bag. I ring it up now, I'm laughing. It ain't a question to chase this cash. This next shit bound to happen, cause I know I'm about to be in my bag. Up in my bag, yeah. Chasing a bag, yeah. I got a call on my bad habits. Boy, you sauce with the fashion. They put together like some mathematics. And I keep it moving, the girl, what you doing? And you said you bad at it. They know I ain't losing, cause I keep it moving and I got a bag at it. Hopping a phone, I'm taking a flight. Said I ain't never been a hating type. Yeah, you gotta pay tonight. If you really tryna stay tonight. Yeah, ball in the rain tonight. Jump the stars in the race tonight. Yeah. I ain't never been a hating type. Baby, love me on sight. And yeah, she know I can't stay tonight, but I put Henny on ice. And yeah, we really getting faded, right? Yeah, girl, I'm trying to feel nice. And all this music, I'm taking flight. Yeah, everything feel right. I ain't really into popping off, cause begging ain't my type. Finna put a Benz in my parking lot, and my brothers shoot, they don't fight. So we don't really sit and just talk a lot. Don't think I had a off
fucking
night.
mouth, bro.
She see me slide in that parking lot, I think she like the off-white. And no, I really don't say a lot. They heard and know what I did. Can't wait until a nigga drop the top. Thinking about how I live. And I can make your name popular. I ain't giving out.
She said I hate my day job. I don't feel it. I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none. Dollar billies. One time. She said I hate my day job. I don't feel it. I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none. Have none. Dollar billies in my bag one. Bag one. Fuck your feelings. I detach them. Wonder why I had them. With her bad lungs. Running back home. Keep coming back if I had known. Are you tired of understand why? Probably just a habit. She running to the cash come. Wonder what happened. Busy on the inside. Why got the answer? Why ain't got hands? Why don't got answer? You and your friends. Where have it been? So she said I hate my day job. I don't feel it. I need race car. Top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none. Have none. Dollar billies in my bag one. Bag one. Fuck your feelings. I need pilot. I've gone high. Parachute. It's my first. If we land in quicksand, tell them to. I might die. Body bag. Probably glad.
Alright, I know why I lost the setup. I took a trade in the bad range, bro. I'm gonna end it here, and my Friday off early. Come back Monday, try to have a better week. This week I ended up being in drawdown 5%. So next week I'm gonna target 5% to go break even within the next 2 weeks. Overall, I'm still up on the account challenge that I'm doing. I was up 9%, now I'm only up 3%. So with that being said, I'm gonna wrap it up here, man. It's your boy Traderholics. Appreciate everybody who stopped by the stream to say what's up, bro. And I'm gonna end it here, bro. I'm out this bitch.
What do you want? I just rolled another blunt. And shawty, she calling. I know, baby, what you want? I got hoes in my section. Look at my direction. She at IG thought all she want is impressions. I got what she want, that's why she in my section. I'm with slimes. Wipe your nose, we a blessed. It's my time. I'm taking what's mine. Why you worry about you? I'm worried about mine. Yeah. So we back at it. I just had a double back, and I keep on backtracking. I just made another stack. All these mixed emotions got me a little confused. Like what you tryna do? What do you want? I just rolled another blunt. And shawty, she calling. I know, baby, what you want? I got hoes in my section. Look at my direction. She at IG thought all she want is impressions. I got what she want, that's why she in my section. I'm with slimes. Wipe your nose, we a blessed. It's my time. I'm taking what's mine. Why you worry about you? I'm worried about mine. Yeah, that would've hit me. Yeah, I'm on the block with a shimmy. Sippin' on lean, I don't do no rim. Yeah, smoking on that, can you hear me? Yeah, we got the muddy, feel me. I got a hole in the belly. We got rice, got plenty. Bitch, I'ma pee like Diddy. Try make 'em bop like Diddy. She want the lean, I got plenty. Make mama purr like Penny. I put your bro in a pendant. Niggas talk hot, don't feel it. X just pulled up in Bentley. I leave you red like Trippy. Niggas talking bands, got plenty. What do you want? I just want another blunt. And shorty, she called, and I know, baby, what you want. I got hoes in my section. Look at my direction. She a IG thought all she want is impression. I got what she want, that's why she in my section. I'm with slimes. Wipe your nose, we gon' blast. It's my time. I'm taking what's mine. All you worry about you.